In this video, we've carefully selected cordless tillers that real users trust. Each one is based on performance, battery life, build quality, and how well it handles different types of soil. We picked these tools to fit real needs, from raised garden beds to tougher ground. If you want something reliable, easy to use, and worth your money, this list is here to help you make a confident choice. At number 7, we have the TaskStar TH4 cordless garden tiller. This tiller is built for home gardeners who need power without the hassle of cords or gas. It runs on a strong 360 RPM motor that easily breaks compact soil. Whether you're starting a new garden bed, mixing compost, or loosening soil, this motor delivers solid performance. It uses 48 heavy-duty steel tines that are rust-resistant and built for tough ground. These tines give you consistent results with each pass, even in dense or clay-rich soil. The tool comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries -2, 0 each, giving you a total of 4,000 mAh. That gives you enough runtime for most small to mid-sized garden projects. No cords mean you can move freely around your yard without being tied to an outlet. The cordless design also makes it safer and cleaner than gas-powered models. It's lightweight, easy to steer, and designed to reduce fatigue during longer tasks. The frame is made of durable alloy steel, which helps it handle bumps, rocks, and daily wear. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a shed or garage after use. If you want a reliable tiller for everyday gardening jobs, the TaskStar TH4 is a strong and simple choice. At number 6, we have the MZK20V cordless garden tiller. This is a compact and affordable option for light soil work, ideal for raised beds, small gardens, and lawn maintenance. It runs on a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you cordless freedom without the need for extension cords or gas. The battery and charger are included, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. Equipped with 24 durable steel tines and an 8-inch tilling width, designed for soft to moderately firm soil. This tiller works well for aerating soil, loosening clumps, and refreshing pre-tilled beds. At 360 RPM, it delivers steady power for routine gardening without tearing up your lawn. Its lightweight build makes it very easy to carry, maneuver, and control. Even for seniors or beginners, the handle is ergonomically shaped, helping reduce wrist and arm strain during longer sessions. It includes a safety lock button, which prevents accidental startups and adds peace of mind while operating. With dimensions of 30 inches long, 8.2 inches wide, and 11 inches high, it's compact enough for tight spots and easy to store in small spaces. The frame is made of alloy steel, offering decent durability while keeping the weight low. If you want an easy-to-use tiller for light gardening, flower beds, or basic soil prep, the MZK 20 volts is a reliable and budget-friendly choice. At number 5, we have the FORDWALT cordless tiller cultivator, built for users already using dual 20 volts batteries. This model is too lonely, so it's ideal if you already own Dewalt-Compatible batteries and want to expand your cordless tool setup. It runs on a 300-watt motor with a 270 RPM output, giving you solid power for everyday gardening tasks. It's capable of breaking up depleted soil, turning over beds, and pulling out shallow weeds or grass roots with 48 steel tines. This tiller offers consistent and reliable digging performance. The tilling width is 8.7 inches, while the depth reaches 6.3 inches, making it suitable for flower beds, edging work, and soil preparation in tight areas. It's lightweight and fully electric, with no cords, no gas, and low maintenance. The design includes a safety switch for controlled startups and a comfort grip auxiliary handle to reduce arm fatigue during longer sessions. The handlebar is detachable, and the unit breaks down easily for compact storage in your shed or garage. Its plastic body helps keep the tool light and easy to lift, while still durable enough for routine use in soft to moderate soil. If you already own Dewalt batteries and want a simple, cordless solution for garden maintenance, the FORDWALT tiller is one of the most cost-effective options on the market. At number 4, we have the Greenworks 40 volts 10-inch cordless tiller and cultivator. This tool is built for gardeners who need strong performance without the noise or hassle of gas. It runs on a 40-volt 4.0 lithium-ion battery, which gives you up to 45 minutes of runtime on a full charge. The battery charges in about 2 hours and is included in the box, along with the charger. This tiller is ideal for breaking up compact soil, prepping new garden beds, or refreshing older patches before planting. It features an adjustable tilling width between 8.25 and 10 inches, allowing flexibility for narrow or wide spaces. The tilling depth reaches up to 5 inches, which is great for mixing in compost or turning over old soil. It comes with 6-inch rear wheels that make it easy to push and maneuver, even around raised beds or tight corners. The tool is lightweight at 21 pounds, so it's easy to lift and operate without feeling bulky. Since it's battery-powered, there's no gas, no oil, and no emissions, making it a cleaner and quieter alternative. This model includes everything you need: the tiller unit, steel tines, 40 volts battery, charger, and a user manual. Greenworks also backs it with a 3-year tool and battery warranty, adding long-term peace of mind. If you're looking for a quiet, powerful, and low-maintenance tiller for everyday gardening, the Greenworks 40 volts is one of the most trusted options available. At number 3, we have the SnapFresh 20 volts cordless tiller and cultivator. This model is designed for gardeners who want adjustable control and compact power for small to medium soil projects. Includes a 4,000 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion battery and a fast charger, giving you up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge. The motor supports 3 speed settings: -100, 250, and 300 RPM, letting you adjust the power for light, moderate, or tougher soil. This feature makes it great for switching between delicate flower beds and compact garden patches. Comes with 4 steel tines, arranged to allow flexible setup. You can run with just 2 inner or 2 outer tines for more precise control. The tilling width is 9 inches, while the depth reaches up to 6.6 inches, ideal for prepping garden rows, refreshing soil, or mixing in compost. The tiller is battery-powered and fully cordless, eliminating fuel costs, maintenance, and messy cables. It includes a safety lock button and an on-off switch, giving you dual-layer safety during operation. SnapFresh also includes protective gloves and goggles, so you're ready to start right away with the right gear. This model weighs just 9.9 pounds, and the handle is ergonomically designed and adjustable for comfort and better control. It's also compact in size, measuring 10 inches deep, 5 inches wide, and 9 inches high, making it easy to store in tight spaces. If you want a lightweight tiller with variable speed, long battery life, and better handling for delicate work, the SnapFresh 20 volts is a smart pick. At number 2, we have the VENUX 20 volts cordless tiller and cultivator. Built for serious home gardeners who want long runtime and deeper soil reach, this model comes with 48 anti-rust steel tines, offering a 9-inch tilling width and 6.6-inch depth, ideal for soil prep, compost mixing, and root aeration, and operates at up to 360 RPM, which helps break tough clumps and aerate your garden beds in fewer passes. Included in the package are 2 4.0 lithium-ion batteries, giving you up to 120 minutes of total runtime. These batteries feature overload and thermal protection, ensuring safer, longer-lasting performance. The cordless design means you can tilt without worrying about power outlets or extension cords. It's ideal for use in tight corners, backyards, and larger areas without electric access. A built-in safety lock button prevents accidental starts and adds an extra layer of protection during use. The tiller weighs light enough for daily use and is compact, with dimensions of 11 inches deep, 9.5 inches wide, and 29 inches high. The package includes safety gloves and protective glasses, making it ready for use out of the box. The stainless steel body adds durability, especially for users working in rocky or moist soil conditions. If you're looking for a cordless tiller with extended runtime, strong digging depth, and complete accessories, the VENUX 20 volts is a powerful and practical option. At number 1, we have the Alloyman 20 volt cordless tiller cultivator. Currently the best seller in power tillers on Amazon, this model is designed for gardeners who want strong tilling performance, cordless freedom, and easy handling in one tool. It comes with two 2.0 all-lithium-ion batteries and a charger, offering interchangeable use for up to 60 minutes of total runtime. The motor delivers up to 360 RPM, which gives enough power to break compact soil, mix compost, and prep garden beds efficiently. It's equipped with for steel tines that cover a 9-inch width and reach up to 6.6 inches deep, ideal for flower beds, vegetable plots, and lawn aeration. The cordless design means you can work anywhere in your yard without dealing with tangled cords or limited reach. Its compact body measures 10.2 inches deep by 10.2 inches wide, with a total height of 49.6 inches, making it easy to use without hunching over. The adjustable auxiliary handle and ergonomic grip reduce arm fatigue and improve balance during longer sessions. A safety switch system ensures that the tiller only runs when both the button and trigger are pressed at the same time, minimizing accidental starts. This model is especially useful for raised beds, small gardens, and spot tilling, but also handles moderate soil prep for larger spaces. It's built with alloy steel, offering strength and stability while keeping the overall weight manageable for older users. After tilling, detachable gears make it easy to remove stuck weeds and clean the unit before storage. Alloyman also offers a 45-day satisfaction guarantee and helpful customer service, providing peace of mind after purchase. If you're looking for a cordless tiller with solid power, multiple batteries, and easy storage, the Alloyman 20 volts is the most well-rounded choice in its class. Thanks for watching. We hope this list helped you find the right cordless tiller for your garden. Every tool we shared was picked to meet different needs, whether you're starting fresh or just keeping things tidy. If one stood out to you, check the links in the description for more details. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves gardening too.